Hey everyone, welcome back to the GOAT of Crypto. If you're passionate about crypto and the financial world, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we've got some breaking news. It's a bloodbath in the Tokyo stock market. Let's dive into what's happening and what this could mean for us in the crypto space. The Tokyo stock market has taken a massive hit, plunging 12.4%. This follows last Friday's dramatic drop of over 2,000 points, marking the second biggest drop in Nikkei's history. Major companies like Tokyo Electron, Isetan Mitsukoshi, Mitsui Fudosan, Softbank, and even Toyota saw significant losses. Now, let's put this in perspective. The Nikkei is now down nearly 4% from a year ago. Meanwhile, the Japanese yen has surged against the dollar, moving from 162 to 142. This shift is a shock after a long period of stability in Japanese finance. So, what triggered this financial chaos? It all started with poor economic data from the US, raising fears of a possible recession. Tech stocks took a beating, and the Federal Reserve signaled a potential rate cut later this year. These factors created a ripple effect, shaking Japan's financial markets. The yen's sudden rise was also driven by substantial interventions from Japanese authorities and a recent rate hike by the Bank of Japan. The stronger yen is bad news for exporters, but good for expat savers and Japanese tourists planning trips abroad. Interestingly, the stronger yen might also reduce excessive tourism in Japan, which has been a hot topic of debate. Fewer tourists could mean less overcrowding at popular sites, which some locals might welcome. Now, let's talk about what this means for us in the crypto world. The Tokyo stock market crash underscores how interconnected and fragile the global economy is. If the US economy faces a severe shock, it could trigger a worldwide financial crisis. In such scenarios, traditional assets might falter, but cryptocurrencies could potentially see increased interest as alternative investments. Remember, during the 2008 global financial crash, Japan was one of the few places that fared relatively well. Bitcoin was born out of that crisis as a decentralized alternative to traditional finance. Today, the crypto market might once again become a safe haven for investors seeking to hedge against economic uncertainties. So, could we see a similar trend now? It's hard to say for sure, but one thing is clear: staying informed and prepared is crucial. As we watch these developments unfold, keeping an eye on both traditional markets and the crypto space will be key. That's all for today's update. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. How do you think the Tokyo stock market crash will impact the crypto market? Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep investing wisely.